What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This morning I came out the house and it's a bit cloudy and it was a bit cold, so I put on the sweater. But it's Arizona, it's gonna be hotter than up later on today, so I'll end up taking it off. But anyways, we're going to my brother's house. He bought some new wheels and tires for his OBS. I'll show you guys when we get there. But when he put the back tires on, rear fenders were rubbing a little bit, so he went ahead and bought tools to roll the fender. So we're gonna head over there, hop them out, slap those rear tires on, and it's gonna come out sweet. He also bought some new bucket seats for that truck, so I'm excited to see if we can put them on today, which they're not the original ones. They come off of something else. I don't know exactly what he said. They're black, they're leather, they're nice. So we're going to his house and I'll show you right when we get there. This is what I was talking about, dude.
That's what you need.
Yeah.
That's how models on. Like, no, I saw the video.
This is the style nut I was talking about. If you guys see my last video, when I did my Razor conversion to a 2021 front end, this is the style nut I was talking about. So I couldn't find it at Ace Hardware, but I guess at AutoZone you can find them. These work a lot better. You don't have to worry about so much threads going into that plastic. If you see that video, you know what I'm talking about.
If you haven't seen it.
And if you haven't seen it, go check it out. The fenders are from Silverado.
Yeah, well, the fenders are the same.
Simon, pero obviously it changed right here.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, because when you had it on, that corner piece sticked out further. He's converting it to a newer style, which looks, in my opinion, it looks better. He's just finishing it off right now. On the older one, you got a gap right here. You got a bigger separation between the top and the bottom headlights. And obviously this sticks out further.
Slowly.
Yeah.
Damn, that was slow. Woo, that was smooth.
Well, it's fine, dude. It's the jack, not me.
Hey, bring me the extension cord.
Extension cord.
Oye, ¿con qué lo vas a calentar? ¿Con el culo o qué chingados?
Was it a different bolt pattern?
We have to just make the thing a little bit bigger.
Two hours later. Much later.
This is what happens when you buy Chinese stuff, guys. You gotta cut them off to size. para que no tenga a sharp edge. And if it rubs on the tire, pues it'll rub instead of cut. There she is, guys. That's how it's gonna sit. Obviously it's on the stands right now, but it's underneath the axle, so that's how it's gonna actually sit. ¿Qué dice el chupapi muñeño?
It looks very, very, very sexy.
So one side's down, we gotta go ahead and do the second side. Let's take care of that, and I'll get back with you guys. Guys, so finally she's done. Looks good. Te la compro. ¿Cuánto? 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 Has the US mags, rumblers, 22s by 11 in the back, 22 by 9s in the front. This color is actually from that Dodge Chrysler line. It's called Destroyer Gray, I believe, aka the Nardo Gray. It has the updated front end grill. And nada más falta sacar mi Tahoe, my Tudor Tahoe. Next video, I'm gonna get it started, get it running. I gotta change a few things on it, like the distributor, which I already have in the house. So the next video will be that. I gotta fix the emissions. It has emissions issues. Stay tuned, guys. Like the video, drop a comment, see what you guys think. This thing's nice. So if you haven't already, subscribe. See you next time. Peace.